back to my channel, and today we're going to do a DIY on how to get cute little table numbers for your colors. So I decided to make my table numbers gold so it could pop on the table, because the tablecloths are going to be ivory, and so I decided on gold. Now I did spray paint all of these months, well actually a year ago. I do not have the bottle of spray paint with me because I used it all. So yeah, I will put a picture of it and a link below on how you could get that spray paint. So yeah, I got these particular ones from this frame from IKEA, which I know most of you know exactly where. I actually have one that I did not use for this purpose. So it does come with, let's open it up. So it comes with the stand, which you see. There we go. Now with this tutorial, I am not spray painting it because I do not have the spray paint with me. So we're just going to make a white one, a cute little white one. Now it does come with the little picture frame, plastic little sheets here, acrylics, the frame itself, and the stand. So we're going to do just a simple one, just like screw it on here. Okay. Now I'm going to probably do two different versions. One, I'm going to use the paint pen, which it is, what is it, water-based? I use water-based, that way I can wash these off and reuse them around the house or let them. So we're going to do two different versions. One with maybe making a decal, which would be like more, you know, interesting, and if you want it to stick. And then we're going to do the paint version. So I got my Cricut mat, that way it won't move when I start drawing on it, well, writing on it. We're going to do a similar look to this one here that I already made. Now as you can see, yeah, right there you see the streaks of when I was taking it in and out of the frame. But yeah, this is basically it. You're just writing with a paint marker.
Brian Little.
So it's just like, oh, there you go. This is the water marker base look of it. Now I'm probably gonna do another coat to make it stand out more. But yeah, this is a table number 3. And let's do the decal version. Okay, so what I'm going to do is try to make these letters joint by moving them over. Okay, this is for me like the easiest way to do it, and then like if you do it on your phone, it's kind of hard to do it. But let's move the T over. Okay, and now sorry, always be careful. So then we're gonna highlight and group. And then what I'm gonna do is unlock the direction key and make it a bit bigger. And then what I learned from Pinterest is if you change the color of the font, it'll be easier to see where exactly you need to bring your cursive letters in. So then we're going to make sure that it is a good size for your acrylic. And then let's change that since we're changing colors. And make it gold. Okay. And now your cursive is together. And then we're going to change our 4 to be a bit bigger, because we want people to see our table numbers. Let's make it so like this. It's gonna stay like this. It doesn't matter. Actually no, I'm gonna move it, which most people don't know. You can move it around to where you want it to cut. So I'm gonna move it under, so that way when I do put the transfer tape onto the mat or over our numbers and letters, that way it's already aligned and I don't have to do that much work. Okay, and then we're gonna continue. And then we're gonna make sure that they're aligned and ready to go. Make sure we are on vinyl, which is on the dial on your Cricut machine. And make sure we have the correct blade. And then now we're going to load the mats. And then we're going to press that big C that is flashing. And there you go. Alright, so we have it all cut. Now I'm just going to use the acrylic that we taken out and see if it will fit one of the two that I just made. Okay, so that one is too big. Now this one, okay, this one is just right. So gotta cut this out and come back. All right, so I am just taking off the finishing touches. Okay, this is like really, really small, so gotta be really careful not to break the vinyl. Got our table number. Okay, like we did before, I am going to stick one side on there. And place it right next to it. See, it looks nice, but don't be fooled. This tape really does suck. This is stuck on here. Okay, there we go. Alright, so have it like that, and let's cut that off because I don't want any other residue that doesn't need to be on there. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the backing on here. Okay, hopefully you can see the acrylic is right there. Now watch, this transfer tape sucks. So let's see. It'd be funny if it actually works this one time that I do this. Alright. Look at that. Now it wants to cooperate. Nope, see? A and the L. Okay. Make sure that's on there too. Make sure the 4. Okay. Now I'm peeling the back part, and that's what I'm using. Okay, look at that shit. Alright. Excuse my language. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Trying to bring out of this. Okay. Alright, let's see if it'll work. Boom. There we go. We have our table number. Okay. Alright, let me choose a picture and I'll be right back. So let's check in on our paint. Oh, here's the paint. It's all dry. I did 2 coats. Now let's see with this one here. Alright, now I do have to be careful putting this in because clearly it is scratching. I don't know where, but it is. Okay, alright. And let's look at the difference. Okay, so I am kind of torn. Like, these are looking good. Like, okay, now I know my mother would love this. That I really like this because it's so much, it's contrasting colors, looks good. Which I am doing our pictures in each frame for the tables. Yeah, I don't know. Comment below on which one that you really like. I really like this one because I love how it contrasts. But then I love the goat. Okay, so it both contrasts, of course, but I like this one more. And I like how the goat looks rustic, which I kind of like. But yeah, that's it. That's how you make your table numbers on DIY. Go to IKEA. These are 99 cents, I believe. That's how much it was when I got it. It should be still the same price. 99 cents. You get a lot of them. I paid like, you know, $14 because I bought 14 of them. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and click on the notification bell if you want to see some more DIYs. I also have other series on my channel you should be on the lookout for. But thank you guys so much, and keep on DIYing.